Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to make a simple and lovely cypress wreath. All you need is a wreath base, some fresh cypress, and either string or wire. Join me and let's create together. First, start by trimming the cypress into smaller sprigs. For the outer side of the wreath, use pieces that are 1 to 2 centimeters longer than the ones you'll place on the inside. I usually work with sprigs around 7 to 9 centimeters long. Once you have a good pile of greenery ready, take your wreath base and tie some string to it to get started. Using your left hand, take the sprigs and layer them from the outer part toward the inner part of the wreath, using slightly shorter pieces as you move inward. As you go, gently tighten the string to keep everything in place. If you prefer, you can also use wreath-making wire for this step. Keep adding sprigs, layering them from the outside in. Take your time and enjoy the process. It's all about making something beautiful and calming. If it's easier, you can sort the sprigs by length. That way, it's much quicker to grab the right-sized pieces as you go. When you run out of string, simply add a little more to continue securing the sprigs. The wreath is almost done. Now comes the trickiest part, the final step of adding the last sprigs. Now we just need to fill in the gaps under the first layer of sprigs. Since there isn't much space, use slightly shorter ones. Be careful not to press down the first layer while attaching the last sprigs. To finish, bring the string around to the back of the wreath, make a loop, and then follow the same path back. You'll have 2 ends, tie them together at the back, and everything will be secure. Now, we just need a little final touch-up. If anything is sticking out, just snip it carefully with your scissors. And that's it. Your beautiful cypress wreath is now ready for any extra decorations you'd like to add. I hope you enjoyed making it as much as I did. Thanks for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe. I've got plenty more projects to create together.